What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is May 14th. Let's take a look at the very first article. Yahoo Finance, $1,400 fourth stimulus checks may be on the way, but this time it's actually going to be coming from your state. If you didn't watch my last video, I'm going to link it at the end. But basically, Joe Biden's actually confirmed a fourth stimulus package, and in that fourth stimulus package, he's actually going to be giving the money directly to the state, and then it's going to be up to your mayor and your governors to actually decide who's eligible to get a stimulus check, how much you're going to get, when they're going to send it out. Basically, to quickly summarize, instead of the money going straight, from the IRS getting put in your bank account, instead of it going straight in your mailbox in the form of a check, this time he's going to do it a little different. Joe Biden is sending the money directly to the state and state governments, and then your local government official can actually decide if they're even going to do stimulus checks, when they're going to give you money, how much you're going to get, etc., etc. The U.S. Department of Treasury, aka the IRS, released new spending rules on Monday for $350 billion. What does this mean? Basically, the state by state is going to give you money directly. Flexible aid to states and counties, cities, and tribal governments, which was issued as part of the American Rescue Plan under Joe Biden, aka the fourth stimulus check package. We're gonna get more in this article later. Then we have this article right here. New York state governments are actually getting $24 billion in stimulus aid. Here's where it's headed. So if you didn't know, I talked about, California being the very first state that confirmed it, and then, potentially New Jersey was the second state. And right here, we have New York government is getting $24 billion, which just shows more and more governments are actually, signing along. And right here, Business Insider Joe Manchin says he won't support extending the 300 federal weekly unemployment benefit from Biden's stimulus. Basically, Manchin says he won't vote to extend. He will not vote. He'll vote against the $300 federal jobless benefit. He is quoted saying right here, "We need people back to work." Manchin said, West Virginia's Democrat senator, again, a Democratic senator from West Virginia, meaning if you live in West Virginia, be careful because you might not get $300 weekly unemployment benefit. Stimulus measures should be renewed or revoked. What does this mean? Some states, some government officials are saying, let's get rid of completely the $300 weekly unemployment benefits. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. But real quick, before we go any further, before we go into the details, before we summarize any of these articles, I want to take 2 seconds out of this video. I want to let you know I post daily videos, at least 1 if not 2 videos every single day, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. All you have to do to enter the free giveaways, you must hit that like button, you must hit that subscribe button, and comment the word free. Just comment the word free or free money or a money emoji, something along those lines, free money. Again, that's all you have to do. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment, come to my channel every single day. Even if you see I didn't post a video, I do post videos every single day. Let's get back to articles, again, starting with this one. New York is the third state to actually be getting $24 billion in stimulus aids. Again, guys, the windfall was part of the $350 billion nationally for state and local governments, which will be under Joe Biden's fourth stimulus check package. And then again, we have this article, Joe Manchin says he won't support, Business Insider, he won't support extending the $300 weekly unemployment benefits. And then finally, guys, like I said, Yahoo News, $1,400 fourth stimulus checks may be on the way, but if they do get sent out, they will not go from the IRS straight into your bank account. It will not go from the IRS to your, physical mailbox. The money is going state to state. Joe Biden did officially sign a fourth stimulus package, but he's doing a little bit differently. He's sending the money straight to states. Again, go watch my last video right here if you haven't watched it. I go more in detail on this one. That's pretty much it, guys. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment. Daily videos, daily updates, free giveaways. Have a great day, everyone. Peace.